Hello everyone, my name is Tuti Apriliani and I want to share 3 simple steps to find the best local food when you're traveling. First, you can start by searching the internet for popular regional dishes. Before you arrive at your destination, it's really useful to browse TikTok or Instagram. I usually do this so I can see what foods are actually famous there. Second, you should try asking the resident or local about their favorite eaters. I believe local always know some hidden gems. And hidden gems meal are always delicious. When you talk to a local, don't be shy to ask for their personal recommendation because they are the best source of information. And finally, don't forget to check travel apps like Traveloka. You can look at the recent rating and review to ensure the food is truly delicious. By following these steps, your culinary trip will be way more satisfying. That's all from me. Thank you.